Hi friends. The video will guide you what you need to do if the Windows key or button stops responding. Method 1. Check for WinLock button on your keyboard. While some keyboards have gaming mode switch on them, others have WinLock button. The WinLock button is designed to disable the Windows key on your keyboard, so be sure to check if your keyboard has this key available. According to users, this key should be located next to the right control button on your keyboard, so be sure to look for it. After you locate WinLock button, press it and your Windows key should start working again. Method 2. Disable gaming mode. If you have a gaming keyboard, you probably have support for gaming mode on your keyboard. Gaming mode is designed to disable certain keys during gameplay sessions that can interfere with your game. This can be a problem if you're playing an online game with your friends, and this is why gaming keyboards have support for gaming mode. This switch is usually located above F2 and F3 buttons, and it has a joystick image next to it, so be sure to check your keyboard for this switch and use it to turn off gaming mode. As you can see, different keyboards use different methods to disable gaming mode, so be sure to check your keyboard's instruction manual to see how to properly disable gaming mode. Method 3. Enable Windows key using Registry Edit. The Registry can enable or restrict a lot, including menu items and keyboard keys. To turn on the Windows key, do the following. Method 4. Turn off filter keys. This has been seen as one of the main culprits in Windows 10 and Windows 8 problems. Enabling filter keys slows down or ignores repeated keystrokes and adjusts repeat rates. Hence the Windows button is also affected on some keyboards. Here are the steps to disable filter keys. Method 5. Reinstall your keyboard drivers. If you are looking for a method how to fix the Windows key is not working on Windows 10 problem, reinstalling your keyboard driver is an essential step in your troubleshooting plan.